today's Mother's Day, I thought of doing a small surprise for my mom for breakfast, and I'm doing pancakes, and I thought, why don't I share it with you guys the recipe so you can guys try it out. Let's get started. So first is all-purpose flour, and you're going to need 2 scoops. Next, you're going to add 2 scoops of baking powder, like the small pinch. And then you'll take some small salt and pour just a little bit, like that, and with your hand just pinch a little bit. Then you will add half spoon of sugar, and this is optional. If you want your pancakes to be sweet, you can add this. Now we're going to give it a nice stir, and then we keep it aside and go for the wet ingredients. Next, I'm going to crack the egg. And then we will mix it a little bit with the, or just a little bit. And then we'll add this whole cup of milk. And then we add a teaspoon of melted butter. And to give it a little bit of more flavor, we add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then with our whisker, we mix it up nicely. Next, we're going to add this batter in here, all of this in. And we will now mix it nicely. So now the pan is on there. We're going to heat it up with fire. And then we will add some butter on the pan. And then we will add our batter on it. Okay, so you're going to take your batter and pour it. Like that. It should look like this. Guys, this is like my first time doing this, so I'm hoping this pancake recipe works. Okay, it's time to serve now. I'm gonna put it in my plate. This is another one. Let's keep it on the plate. And I'm going to let this rest for a little bit, and then we can start adding our toppings. Okay, it is time to decorate. So I'm going to cut the banana. And I'm just going to put it here like this. And have some honey. And drizzle it like that. And our pancakes are ready. I'm going to now serve this to my mom. And if you liked this video, Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. I very enjoyed making this. As well, subscribe down below and leave a comment of what you did on Mother's Day. And thanks for watching. Bye!